Hi guys, in this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video, we are going to be taking a look at Ethereum Classic, ETC. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and I will leave a link in the comments and the description as well to our Telegram group where you can find market analysis and signal updates. So, Ethereum Classic, this has been a real strong performer over the last couple of weeks, so let's take a little bit of more of a look into it. Here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that it has a monthly low of just $13.48, monthly high of $44.97. Current price is $38.22, and it has a 5 billion market cap. We can also see as well that the volume, although it's down 20% over the last 24 hours, the volume that's been traded has been really high. It's one of the higher volume coins at the moment. So if we look at it first here on the weekly time frame, we can see how we've got this kind of nice bottoming out pattern here, and the level which we actually bounced from in the $12 region was the previous resistance of early 2020. So over the past year, or even more than a year, we've been on this strong downtrend, but yeah, it looks to have bottomed out here. One thing though, it does look like if we draw a trend line from here, almost a year ago to the date, across there like that. So we can see that we've had multiple rejections of breaking out of this downtrend. And last week, although we did move above the area, we ended up closing the weekly candle back below the resistance. And right now we're sitting pretty much right at the point of resistance, so around the $40 area. So this does need to be broken out of and closed above on the weekly chart if we're to see another continued move up. If we look at ETC and Bitcoin pairing, we can see that over this time it's massively outperformed Bitcoin over the last sort of two or 3 weeks. So we saw an impulsive move up here on the 16th of July. We saw this sort of consolidation period, but in an ascending triangle, which was then broken out of to the upside, and another strong move before we're kind of in this ascending triangle developing again. So if we flip that, close above that, then that is what we'll be looking to push us on higher. And then if we look at the 4 hour on ETC, then again we can see here 16th of July is where we moved above all of the EMAs from 20 to 200, and we saw a 100% move from sort of the $14 area up to $28 before we saw this level of consolidation, and then we did another 100% from $23 up to $45 here. There is a trend line, a support trend line that looks like it's developing here, and if you was to ask me where I'd be looking to take an entry, then there's a couple of options here. So we've got this resistance here at the $40 area, just below $40, as I said. If we flip that and close above that on the 4 hour, on the retest, we could look to then long that back up towards the $45 level. However, if we do reject that again, and so far we are starting to see a move down, an area that I am interested in would be around the $33, $34 level, which would be a retest of this support trend line again. But also, if you see the light blue line here, which is the EMA 100, it would also be in line with that. So we'd have the trend line support, EMA 100. And we can also see this was a previous area of support, so we've kind of got in the $34, $33 area this demand zone as well. So this is a good area to look for a bounce. If we did break below it, the only thing is, because we've had such a strong move up, we don't have much in the way of support before we get to $28 would be the next area I would be looking for. If the $33, $34 level doesn't hold, then I would look to take a long in the $28 area here, which again would also be an EMA level. This dark blue line here, the EMA 200, which should give it support there. So the first level of support, $33 to $34, and the next level being $28 area. Hope you found this video useful, and I will see you on the next one.